Hi everyone, I am Adnan Al-Samarmad. Here I would like to present the online course of Atlantic International University that I called Healthy Life. This second lesson is about the movement and its effect on our health and well-being. Here I would like to demonstrate the role of the movement in our life. Albert Einstein said life is like riding a bicycle. If you want to keep your balance, you always have to move. Alfred Adler said, trust only movement. Life happens at the level of events, not of words. About me, I believe that the movement is a major source of a healthy and successful life. Here I am going to clarify the benefits of regular exercise, which has the potential to improve human health. The movement has proven scientifically and practically to play a major role in our health. The motion is the permanence of life. Movement is one secret of a healthy life, through which the circulatory system is activated to nourish the cells of the body with energy and vitality, and the disposal of waste. At the same time, movement plays an important role in the secretion of happiness hormones, which positively affect behavior and the development of self-confidence. Furthermore, it strengthens the muscles to more easily bear the weight of the body, which can save the joints and reduce the risk of injury to the motor systems. With the help of balanced nutrition, movement activates the immune system of the human body, helping organs such as the heart, brain, liver, lungs, and kidneys to recover from fatigue and diseases of all kinds. This fact has become clear in all details of human life and especially rid of diseases and works to increase the vitality. This in turn affects positively both physical and psychological development. Any muscle in a human body that is exercised regularly will consume the energy stored in the working muscle and form lactic acid during strenuous exercise as a waste. This activates the circulatory system in general and the muscles to work especially hard to get rid of the lactic acid and replace it with new energy sources, including resources such as oxygen and glucose. The process activates the liver to send its energy stores to depleted muscles, thus renewing their vitality. Muscle workout produce myokine. Yes, exercise is medicine. That means controlled movement brings a healthy life. Why? Here is the answer. Scientists have found that muscle contractions produce hormone-like substances called myokines. This substance helps to burn stored energy, regulate the work of hormones, and activate the hormones of happiness, such as dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, which increase the vitality. These molecules are starting to be used against cancer cells and to overcome diabetes and gastrointestinal diseases. That indicates that this substance has an optimal effect on the well-being of individuals and has a positive impact on physical and psychological conditions. A high body weight or presence of diseases can complicate the flow of blood circulation and play an important role in patients who have difficulty moving. The result is compromised safety of body organs and muscle weakness, which harm the joints and the individual health in general. Therefore, we must combat the lack of movement as part of our approach to disease treatment, providing our patients with a scientific basis for our health recommendations, which typically include regular exercise. Outdoor activities improve the quality of life. Physical activity can positively affect the heart and metabolic activity of the body and improve the musculoskeletal system, which works against cancer, especially breast and colon. Also used as a treatment for depression and preventive health. Individuals of all ages, 5 to 17 years, 18 to 64 years, and over 65 years should perform the following physical activities: endurance training of intense 150 minutes or average intensity 300 minutes should be performed per week. Strength training for all muscles should be done 2 to 3 times a week. For adults aged more than 65 years, the training program should be carried out with little intensity and no effort. The most important elements of movement comprise the skills that begin from the first day of life and continue to develop in accordance with the quality of exercise during childhood and beyond. Congenital and acquired diseases also play an important role in the capacity of activity, especially in the period of growth or adulthood. Irrespective of growth, motor skills can be developed at any age, provided there is communication of the required information and proper supervision to eliminate errors and avoid negative consequences such as injury and misinterpretation. There are also clear benefits of physical movement on our psychology that imply broad impact on human health and behavior. All scientific studies on childhood growth support the assumption that a healthy growth rate is movement dependent. Researchers recommend an outdoor activity to improve the health of children. At the same time, nutrition plays a complementary role in muscle building, which is the real engine of the human body. Don't forget that exercise is medicine. With the right movement, you can manage your physical and psychological problem, and you will be happy and satisfied with yourself and with the others. Also, this gives you balance and stability in life. Thereby, you win your health to achieve your goals successfully. The question is how and why. Here is my explanation. The movement works to activate the blood circulation and thus maintain metabolic activities and vitality of the body. It is customary to develop the muscles through organized and continuous movements, or through resistance movements that work to increase the capacity of muscle fibers. Doing sport regularly helps to release the endorphin hormones, which are associated with a sense of happiness in humans. Muscle contraction requires a certain level of heat generated through the interactions of actin and myosin. These regulate the hormones of the body and activate the blood circulation, which in turn helps to restore the healing of cells after fatigue or disease. Movement also leads to the release of endorphins, which increase one's sense of happiness and positively affect actions. Therefore, movement plays important roles in preventing and treating joint diseases, diabetes, cancer, digestive diseases, and mental illnesses. Finally, I conclude. The mechanical movements and chemical reactions that trigger them improve people's physical and mental health. The right types of movement strengthen the muscles and maintain joint cushion so that people can easily lift and move their body weight. For these reasons, the art of movement is at the forefront of other sciences when it comes to improving human health, overcoming fatigue and diseases, and extending life. Thank you for listening. I recommend to see the third lesson of my online course Healthy Life about balance and stability. Yours, Adnan Al-Samarmad, PhD, Health Sciences, Atlantic International University. If you like this video, don't forget to like or subscribe to get my latest publications. I wish you all the best.